Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review. We're back with another video. Today's video, yes, can you get 5G speeds on the Oppo Find N2 in the USA? I want to discuss that a little bit further, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I get this all the time, pretty much in every video. What type of speeds am I getting on the Oppo Find N2 in the USA? I have to let you know I'm on T-Mobile, and the speeds have been pretty impressive in some spots, other spots not so impressive, but it definitely says that I'm getting 5G, and in some spots you can tell where the 5G is better than other spots. In this video, I probably will link the specs on here. That way you can check out what bands that you have on this device. But also I'm gonna do a speed test on here. That way y'all can see too. And then also check out the speeds I got around San Antonio, Texas with the T-Mobile location here. So right now my Wi-Fi is off. So let's run it in my room. Normally in my room and in my house, the 5G is not the strongest, especially in my room for whatever reason. And what, 60, 57, 55, 50, 40. So it's gonna be about 53, 52. I mean, for most people, that is pretty good. I don't know what y'all think. We can even run it again. Let's test it again. Let's see if it gives something different. Maybe less. Oh no, 53, 54 this time. A little bit more. Oh no, maybe less. So it said a little bit less that time. 30, upload. So, are those speeds mind-blowing? No, but if you go here, you can see the results. So I had 52, 53 was just now, 146, 267, 82, 52, 82. One time I got 472. I thought that was a mistake. I thought that was actually on my internet. But if you go here, it tells you T-Mobile. So my internet is AT&T, so I got 472 one time, 267, 45, and 50. Hopefully that comes out in the video. So yes, I am getting 5G speeds definitely somewhere in Texas with T-Mobile. So overall, the speeds are great. I'm not having any issues. I mean, you can tell I didn't get nothing below, let's see. I didn't get anything below 52. 45 was the lowest speed that I got, and I think that was downstairs in my house. But even that is not a bad speed. I know people would die for that type of speed. So, and it says 5G too. So overall, the bands on here has been really good. I'm shocked that I actually get 5G on here, and it works really good. So if you're afraid that you won't get speeds, you can definitely try it out, but so far I've been getting really good speeds on there. So this is just a little quick video. So can you get 5G on here in the USA? Yes, with T-Mobile you can definitely do so. I don't know about AT&T or even Verizon or anything like that, but T-Mobile and probably Mint Mobile, you're probably gonna get great speeds on there. If you have this phone, let me know in the comments what type of speeds you're getting. If not, hey, do your homework, make sure it will work in your area. In the description, I'll have the links where you can see the bands that you get on this phone. But if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Oppo Find N2. Look at that. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.